you into that. All right, so Miss Barbara, another one of our cousins that spend the weekend with us.
Yes,
We're
thank
excited
you.
to have you and your husband with us this weekend.
Oh my gosh, it was more than you can imagine because all of you attended our 50th anniversary. It was absolutely
You
incredible.
should have told us.
I'm gonna go from the wisdom. Frank Corn is in my time frame, and when he held up that one finger, I don't know if anyone has already expressed that one.
No.
And your finger's cut off. You you don't want to live without that finger, but what about the whole body that we actually sell for $15, $15 to $25 an hour? I mean, that type of lingo, it just was so powerful. And then he went into the two economies. He became a millionaire from just his brain. I think the story goes, if you don't know Frank Corn and Teresa Corn, probably told 1,000 times, but his millionaire came from seeing ideas and making it work, not procrastinating on them. And then he talked about the two economies where if you're a buyer, 90% of us are buyers. I mean, we're seeing other people's stuff and we're buying it. The real money comes, are you the person that sees the idea and you become the solution? And, so that was very powerful to me too. Readers. He couldn't read. That's one of the things that he said, that he didn't read at the age of 35 years.
33
some years. Okay, I don't want to mess up the years.
33 years when he learned. He was 33 years
my
old when he learned to read. Yeah.
And he says one of the most detestable things in the world is to hear somebody say they can read and they don't read. Now, how clever is that? So, I mean, there's so many other things that I got a little bit late, so I don't know what else has been shared, but I just pulled to the wisdom. Being 80 years of age, we pull from that wisdom. Oh, you guys, listen, I've been on just about every TMV event. But these guys, when they went to party, who was going to think they was going to party? But absolutely off the hook. The birthdays, you're just relating, you're right. Now I know that I'm in the month with the leader there, why I'm so attracted to her. We were August, we were going around shouting.
Baby.
Then we were trying to prove just why our month was the energy month.
Well, we won. We won. Look at us.
We were.
Yes, indeed.
And then we got a chance to go up on stage. They came to me and asked me, to be a part of I'm Every Woman. Woo! All right, that's my girl. That's my song. And so we got a chance. And, those you think did it, wouldn't do, and did do, and so forth. But it was just, I will never miss